Nobody really talks about what it feels like to rebuild yourself quietly. So here it's mine.
My God.
If you're not romanticizing your mornings, you're honestly missing out because morning are the most sensitive or the most important part of the day because what you eat, what you consume when starting that day will eventually set the tone for the rest of the day. Remember that day I blindly did impulse buying you. That day actually taught me something. It was just like a wake up call. From that moment, I started becoming more disciplined with how I manage my finances because honestly, no one really prepared us for this adulthood. You just wake up one day and realize you're fully responsible for everything, especially when it comes to money. But anyway, every single matters. So now, whenever I'm going out, I'm running my errands, especially kununua vitu or just doing some shopping, I always carry a shopping list. Jue sitaki kufanya hili kitu. It keeps me accountable and help me track my expenses. Shika. Sometimes it feels lonely not having someone around, someone to sit with, talk with, share coffee or a meal. But at the same time, there's something beautiful about just having your own space to think, to brainstorm, to create something that you've always wanted to. Just to feel that moment being alone and doing just all the crazy stuff. And sometimes it is always so peaceful because there's no distraction. That's why I call it home. Morning guys, how are you doing? So today on the menu I'm taking, what are these called? These little mandazi bites. Yeah, I'm taking that in the morning. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Today is really chilly. Hii ni ile time sasa unakaa tu hivi kwa nyumba unatamani tu usiende kazi. But anyway, we have to go to work. I really love spices that are on my tea. I love spices. So in a tea masala. Yeah. Yeah, tea masala. Then I'm going to mix them with coffee. Nakwambia hii combo. It's about to get down real bad. So guys, asubuhi when niliamka niliweka dye kwa nywele. Oh my god. Yeah, niliweka dye kwa nywele. I didn't feel that. Nilisahau. Forehead yangu imekuwa black. Lakini of late my hair has been really brown. So nikasema tu. Yeah, remember the time that I told you guys that if I make decision about my channels, I'll let you know. So I have decided the other one, because I haven't shown you my hair. So the hairstyle channel, I'll be posting shorts, and then on this channel, I'll be posting only long form videos. And I think that that way it's going to favor me because I don't have that much time. Niko na time kidogo sana because of work, content. Yeah. So guys, I've just finishing doing my hair. So ni wakati wa kuenda kazi.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can say.
Right now it's 10:30 and I'm supposed to be at work by 10. I really don't know how to keep time, and I should start practicing to keep time actually because the scenery of this place. There is Gong Hills. So cute. this season feels slow, but slow is still growth, right? Not every season is meant for wins. Some seasons are meant for lessons, just to push us to our limits, to get out of those shells and do what you're supposed to do. I know some of us are really gifted, are very talented, but we tend not to show it all because we are afraid of what the society will say, what they will think of us. But usually they don't even think about that. You're just scared to push yourself. I remember talking to a friend of mine. She really knows how to vlog so nicely. And this is the second time I'm telling her to start a YouTube channel. And I hope she's listening. And one day, one time, I hope she's know how talented she is, how she can make the world beautiful, how she can change the world of creativity. So girl, go for it. I believe in you.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
And if this is your slow season too, maybe it's not a setback. Maybe it's life just preparing us for something better, something greater, something imaginable out of our reach. And so hold on there. Keep on pushing your limits. And something bigger will happen. Because I really feel at the moment when I started this year, I know something different was going to happen. Something miraculous. Because I always pray and believe that there is always better tomorrow. Welcome, guys. Our supper is finally ready.